So if you get overwhelmed by making ads, this is a very, very simple way that you can start to just make your own simple ads. You will need Instagram and you will need an iPhone. I'm sure you can figure it out if you have other apps as well. But for me, I'm just going to be using Instagram and an iPhone. It's just a very, very simple way. I'm going to share my screen, which I recorded on my phone. I'm going to go through exactly what I did. I'm going to show you exactly what to press. So what we're going to do is we're going to start on the Instagram app itself. And then what you want to do is you want to click on that little square underneath on the bottom middle, which you can't really see, it's behind the pause button. And then what we want to try to do is we want to try to bring up a picture that we're going to use as our background. And you might say, how do you do that, Bennett? And I will show you. So you're going to go to Safari or to whatever web browser you use, and you just type in what it is that you want. So for me, it was a light blue background that I wanted. And then you have all these different pictures that come up. Don't get tagged on something that is going to be copyrighted and whatnot. But if you just take a screenshot of that picture and then, just minimize it to fit your screen, so you'll be able to then upload it to your screen. And how do you do that? You just go to the manage button over here, and then you select more photos, and then you can bring it up onto over here, and then you click on it, and then you are going to go to where it says next on top. So once you have this as your background, whatever color it is that you want, you could probably also just pick any other picture that you want, put it as your background, then you click on next on the top right hand corner. And it's going to take you to this page. Now what we want to do is we want to be able to take one of our pictures that we already took, and we want to take that picture and put it into this background. So how are we going to do that? So when you're on your iPhone, you're going to go to your photos, and then you're going to find a photo of yourself, and you're going to double tap on yourself and just hold it. And you're going to see a highlight go around you about what it's going to copy when you press copy. So you highlight yourself and then press copy. And what that's going to do is actually just going to pull you out of the picture. Make sure whatever background you have, it is not the same color as you or anything you're wearing, because it will pick up that stuff. So try to get like a plain background. White is always best. But just keep that in mind when you are taking your pictures. And then what you're going to do is you're going to press copy. Then you're going to go back into Instagram. When you go to Instagram, you're going to press on the little text button. So up here where it says AA, and then you're going to have like that text pop up. And then over here, what you're going to do is you're going to double click again, and you're going to press paste. And then what happens is really cool is you get pasted onto the picture. And then all of a sudden you are now there, and you could pinch yourself, put yourself in a position where you like. I personally like to do it like this. And then on Canva, I'm going to add in my text. So if that's, if you want to put on your text, whether it's right on over here by Instagram, you could add more text, or you can just add everything else you want on Canva itself. I personally like doing that. There is a way to download it from this position. I don't know how to do that. I usually just take a screenshot of this part of the screen, and then I'm going to minimize it and save it to my phone. And then all of a sudden I have this picture of myself with the blue background being able to use now on Canva for an ad of mine. And then just to keep for efficient purposes, I then tend to just double click on myself, delete myself out of this picture, and just drag myself down. And that throws me to the little garbage. And then I just get the next picture that I want to edit. I usually do a bunch of edits. I think it's smart to just do, you don't know which one's going to look good, which one's not going to look good. Take another picture, copy yourself again, and then bring it over, and then keep doing that until you have all your pictures that you want, that you like. And just do that. And then I think once you go over to Canva, it's pretty seamless in terms of what it is that you can start to do. So I hope that was helpful. And let me know if you have any questions about this. It was a video I saw on YouTube. I don't remember where it was. But it was really helpful, and I think it can be really helpful for you as well. So hope you enjoy, and yeah, good luck.